Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Wednesday, May 22nd. The market closed about a half hour ago. I just finished streaming like 10 minutes ago. I need to get my updates done, so I got off the stream. I did my Apex update. Now I'm in my Take Profit Trader account. Here's how I did today with my 155 of my 150K test account. I went up 555 bucks. The first couple of days I had this 150K test account, I wasn't really paying much attention to it because I've been focusing so much on Apex. I have a couple of funded accounts in there. I have a big 250K eval in there. I have some other size evals in there. And, because I'm taking advantage of their 90% off sale, which is awesome. 90% off one day to pass. But anyway, let's focus on Take Profit Trader. I got this 150K account. I traded it a little bit more actively today. Got it up 555 bucks. I'm not in a hurry. I need to get to 9,000. I can't do it in a day with Take Profit Trader. I need to trade for at least 5 days to pass this test. But if it takes me 15 days, I don't care, because once this is over, this is going to be a nice account to have as a funded account, because the best part about the 150 is you have a nice daily loss limit of 3,300 bucks. So plenty of room. I'm trading this account like it's a 50K. So I'm pretty sure I won't run into any issues with a daily loss limit. And you got a nice trailing max drawdown of 4,500, and it grows throughout the day. Like if I was up, I think it was at 5,000 at one point. But anyway, all in all, in really good shape, up 890 overall. Did I take advantage of all the moves today? Not really. I wasn't trading too aggressively in this account. There were some crazy moves you had FOMC earlier in the day. This is where FOMC happened. Let me go to the 15-minute because FOMC, whoops. Let me scrunch this down a little. Like FOMC happened here. We had this huge dump during FOMC. We filled the gap, and then we got to close. On the close, we had NVIDIA earnings. It dumped all the way down here, basically back to the low of day, just a little bit higher, and then bounced a fuck ton all the way up here. Bounced 200 points. And go figure, rejected off a pivot point. Look at that. Would you look at that? And then this is how we finished. So I didn't get all of that. I was trading a lot in my Apex account. Oh, look, it already refreshed. So I'm cool with how this is going. I'll take some shots with it maybe later during the overnight when I'm streaming. And in case you haven't ever came on one of the streams to hang out with all the awesome people that hang out on the streams, I stream every single day during regular trading hours. I try to get on at 2 o'clock Eastern time, and I go to and through close. It's usually I get on anytime between 2 and 3 Eastern time, and I go to and through close. I was on until like 5:20 today. And there's just super, super quality people in there. So not only can you hang out with other traders, other degenerates, right? Other prop firm degenerates, right? We're all degenning, right? But then you could watch me trade as well. And I trade like a degenerate for sure. I'm a degen. I go full degen when I'm trading. For the most part, I'm still conservative with my trades, but it's fun to watch somebody trade. And then there's some really good people. Like, everybody in there is super quality, but there's some really good traders. There's a bunch of traders in there that are much better at trading than I am. And they share their insights. They share what works with them. So you could learn a lot just coming to the stream, just by hanging out with all these other people. And then you watch me trade, and maybe you just learn how not to trade by watching me or whatever. But I'm doing good. I'm getting better. I'm getting there. So anyway, yeah. Oh, I've told you about that. But I also stream at night during the overnight. Like after my wife and kids are in bed, I'll stream. If I'm trading, I'm streaming. Usually it's around 11:30. I'm sorry, that's my time on the West Coast. But usually I'm hopping on anywhere between 2:30 and 3 a.m. Eastern time. That's when London opens. That's when the volume starts to pick up. It's not a ton of volume, but there's some movement around that time. And if I'm on trading, I'll be streaming. So hopefully I'll catch you on one of them. If you haven't come to one of them yet, would love to see you there. We're all hanging out. And if you want to take advantage of Take Profit Trader's promotion that they're running right now, it's 40% off any size test account and $0 upgrade fee. So if you're good at if you're really good at trading and passing accounts like with other prop firms, it's a good deal if your pass rate is high. So it's a great deal if your pass rate is high. Obviously, it's not 90% off like Apex, but 40% off and $0 upgrade fee. It works out to actually be about the same as Apex, depending on what size account you use, what size account you pick. Just do me a favor. If you're going to get a Take Profit Trader account, do not pick the 25K account. It's the worst one. Get anything 50K or above, okay, in terms of the account size. But anyway, yeah, click the link in the description below. My coupon code is ZERODAYJAY. It's also in the description below. you already have a Take Profit Trader account, you want to take advantage of this deal, just pop in my coupon code ZERODAYJ and you'll get the best deal available. And that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.